Coast Guard. Manos arriba, manos arriba. Onto the barco.
03 POB.
03 POB, coming on attack. This is
4 POB.
4 POB.
Cutter, lay forward, cover down. Let them know we're making our approach to conduct the ISS. Goes in and keep it forward a little bit. Keep your weight on. And we'll basically just push it away from us with pop on. Yep. Going over. It looked like could be bales all the way up forward there. Right. Bags, food, water. Fuel lines. Good. Try to push this open from down below. Alright, go in then. Alright. Alright. And let them know vessel's approximately 60 feet in length, 40 of which are completely full of bales. Presumptive bales. Yes. See any kill switches here? No? Negative. Alright. Any keys? Looks like what might be a bale right there. Okay. Looks like 2 bales underneath here, underneath the console. What? A third. Yeah, this place is loaded. Yeah. Yeah, I've got approximately what looks like at least 5 or 6 bales just visible right now. Might be more underneath all these bags. All right. Which one do you want to do a representative sample on? Let's see this one right here. All right. What? Get the exit out. There's no room in here. Oh. All right, that one's too difficult to get out. There's another one down here I'm going to pull.